Hi, Kari from Boise, Idaho. I am a previous back pain sufferer. I suffered from muscle spasms that would lock me down for days and then cause me chronic pain for weeks to months. I studied John Sarno in a moment of desperation, came across him and loved his whole approach. But I was successful with it, but it kept coming back. So I ran across the Pain Cure Clinic, John and Laura. I went to their 2-day boot camp, and they were very qualified, having come from chronic pain themselves. And Laura is just a mastermind. She put together this matrix of a concise, personalized plan for me. And John is also wonderful. We went out and approached the physical part of it and how to keep going, keep moving through your pain. So I would highly recommend this dynamic duo of John and Laura. I am now pain-free. In fact, I'm in my truck and on my way to have some fun, and I no longer suffer from pain, and if it starts to creep up, I know exactly what to do by following their plan. Thank you. Thank you, John and Laura.